Hey guys, follow me on my Instagram to never ever miss any recent updates.
Before we get started, I just wanted to thank Synergy Cars Mahindra showroom based in Delhi for helping me out with this shoot. This in my hand is the key for the Mahindra XUV 700. This car is a beast of an SUV. It comes in 2-liter petrol engine and a 2.2-liter diesel engine. The petrol engine produces this 200 PS of power and 380 Newton meter torque, whereas the diesel produces 200 PS of power and 450 Newton meter of torque. This car is almost 4.7 meters in length and has a wheelbase of 2.75 meters. It is 1.8 meters tall and has a ground clearance of 200 millimeters. So what you see, notice the first is this new logo for the Mahindra, which is inspired by the butterfly and which is, according to me, a mimic of an old Maruti Suzuki logo. The headlight you see over here is complete LED setup with this sequential turn indicators and the LED DRLs. The fog lamp, however, is also it's also an LED setup. Coming to the side, you first notice this alloy wheels whose tire profile is 235/60 R18 diamond cut alloy wheels. Next, you notice these smart door handles, which are quite fancy for the car of this segment. This is how they work. Currently the car is closed, so when I press unlock, the door handles pop out and then you can easily open the door and get into. On the side you notice this chrome strip running through the car. It gives a very nice finish. Lid of this vehicle, since it's a petrol and the tank capacity is 60 liters. The rear setup looks very promising. Like, this is LED DRLs, a sequential turn indicator, the brake lights, which is unfortunately a halogen because the bulb present here. The reverse light also is a halogen, and this car gets 2 reverse parking sensors, which is in this car segment you would expect number of 4 at least. Get this massive door, which is actually made up of fiber, but it doesn't feel like it. The quality is pretty tough. Let's open the boot of this car. So you get this massive boot space over here. You get this hook over here to secure your luggage, and same over here as well. You get AC controls, the blower and everything, the AC vents for the third seats of passengers, and this is you get 2 cup holders on either side. Let me push the seat up. So let's do this one also. So now you can see there is very little boot space after the third row is set up. So it's best if you push down the seats to increase the boot space and use this as a 5-seater car. You also don't get the powered tailgate, so you have to manually close it. Now let's jump inside and see what's the headroom over there. Opening the door, you see this huge cabin over there. With this, to increase the airiness of the cabin, the color contrast is kept as simple white, beige and black. So the door is quite heavy and it gets this chrome treatment for the door handles, the lock system, a piano black finish running across the door handle, the power switch for the window, and a big bottle holder. On the inside you get these Isofix child seat mounts, a very comfortable seat with this leather upholstery. Let's get inside. So let's close the door. It closes with a proper thud. I am 6 foot 4 inches and my legs are already touching the seats, but not to worry, this seat is adjusted to the rearmost position, so I can use this boss mode and give this seat a push. You get this rear AC vents, this time over here, because in XUV500 you get this on the roof, and instead of the AC vents you get this light switches over here, a handle to hold on to, and a hook. The floor is quite flat, so the middle passenger can also be seated very comfortably. It's just that this hump will intrude in its legroom. You get this center armrest for the middle row passengers as well, with twin cup holders, and you get this huge sunroof, panoramic sunroof, which Mahindra calls the sky roof. The XUV700 styling is a mature evolution of the XUV500 with cleaner lines and more balanced look. It has a muscular bonnet and a strong new grille, which gives it a lot of road presence. Let's see what the front row is like. The door opening is massive. You get this piano black finish running across, piano black finish across the switches. This is for the ORVMs. This is for the power window, and this is for the automatic power window for the driver, not all other three. The door locks and the window locks, which is a massive bottle holder. You also get this thing for the lumbar support. So I am inside the Mahindra XUV700's cabin. Firstly, what you notice is that this is a very luxurious cabin layout, almost like it's took from the Mercedes-Benz. Like, this screen is actually taken from Mercedes-Benz. I feel like the seat memory function is completely took over from Mercedes. You get this 3 memory seats function, like 3 persons can save their seat position according to themselves, and you get the digital instrument cluster, which is completely digital. You get this 10-inch infotainment display, which is a single screen inspired from the Mercedes-Benz. You get this huge armrest with quite a bit of space inside, which is also cooled. You get this key holder so that you can place your key. You get these twin cup holders, a knob which is inspired from the high-end luxury cars. This is for your favorites, this is to scroll through your music, this is to return to home, and this is for the call. You get this auto hold function, a electric power brake, and this is the gear lever. This is a wireless charging pad with 2 USB ports. There is some secret passage over here where you can keep your mobile. Get these buttons, which is like ABS, ADS, traction control, emergency lights, the 360 camera. Like, if I do this, you can see the 360 camera of this car, and it is adaptive as well. You get this huge glove box over here, which is also AC cooled. So the cabin feels quite rich. You get this plastic top, which is not feeling that of a low class. You get this leather upholstery running across the dashboard. This is also hard plastic. The center console cladding is also hard plastic. This is also hard plastic. The steering is leather wrapped. You get this new Mahindra logo. These controls are for the audio, radios, and your calls. This is for the your MID, the cruise controls, and as well as your MID. So this was a quick walk around of this car. I know I might have missed many things, but do tell me in comment section what are your thoughts about this XUV 700. Do subscribe to my channel and turn on the post notification bell to never ever miss any updates.